so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello, friends. It's me, Blippi. And today we're exploring construction vehicles. Let's see. Can you guess which vehicle this is? Let's go find out. Hey! It's me, Blippi. Wow, and look at where I'm at. Yeah, today I'm at Tenino, Washington at a job site. Yeah, and today you and I get to learn about a machine. Yeah, a really heavy machine. Has a really big blade up front, pushes anything and everything out of its way. Has a lot of power. It's a little slow though. And it starts with the letter B, just like my name. Do you know what machine it is? Okay, let's go find out. Woohoo! Whoa! Check it out. Wow, a piece of construction equipment. And this is a powerful piece of construction equipment. Do you know what machine this is? Yeah, this is a bulldozer. Wow, it is so powerful. Here, come on. Whoa, this is the blade of the bulldozer. Yeah, the blade pushes anything and everything out of its way. And then it goes flat on the ground and then makes the ground nice and flat. Whoa! Whoa! And how it gets all of its power is right here. Yeah, the engine. And this is the engine compartment. Yeah, it produces a lot of power and a lot of smoke out of the exhaust. Wow, super cool. Hey, do you see these? Huh, this is silly. Yeah, there's no wheels and tires. That's silly, huh? Oh, these are called tracks. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, these metal things go down into the dirt, the gravel, the mud, so then it has really good traction, so then it doesn't slip and slide. All right, I think I should take it for a spin. Woohoo! Whoa, so comfortable. All right, first things first, safety first. Perfect. Now that I'm nice and safe with my seatbelt, we can operate the bulldozer. Yeah, you operate a bulldozer. You do not drive a bulldozer. Okay, see these hand controls? This is how you operate the bulldozer. This one makes you go forward and backward, and this one, yeah, this is what you use to control the blade. All right, here we go. Let's turn on the key. Woohoo! All right, flip up the safety doodads, and here we go. Whoa! Check it out! Whoa! Woohoo! All right. Whoa! Now that was fun. That was awesome! Wow, what a powerful machine. Did you see that big blade up front? Yeah, it's so good and powerful. It pushes anything and everything out of its way. Our first vehicle was a bulldozer. They are such an important piece of equipment and help clear the way. Can you guess what this next vehicle is? Let's go check it out. Let me give you some hints on what piece of machinery we're gonna learn about. Okay, it's a machine that loves to dig. Yeah, it typically has tracks. Yeah, has an arm and a boom and a bucket. Digs big holes, and it starts with the letter E. Can you guess it? Okay, here we go. Check it out! Did you see that? Yeah! This excavator? Yeah, I was driving and holding this giant log. Wait, did you hear that? Yeah! An excavator! Wow! What a cool machine. This is actually a mini excavator. Yeah, they have small ones like this, and they have big ones like that. Wow! Hey, did you see I was sitting in the seat? Yeah, this is the cab of the excavator. Wow, there's so many controls in there. Whoa, so cool. Hey, and look down here. Wow. Yeah, just like a bulldozer, this excavator has tracks. But a bulldozer's tracks are metal, and these, yeah, they're rubber, like tires. Wow, that is really cool. The cab can swing around. Yeah, did you see me swing around? Whoa, so cool. Oh, and up here, wow, it's hard to see because the bucket is right here, but this is the blade. Just like a bulldozer, this excavator has a blade to flatten things out and push things out of its way. And where this log is sitting, yeah, this is the bucket of the excavator. Wow, this bucket has some big teeth. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa, and look at this. This kind of looks like a big tooth, but this is actually called a thumb. Wow, the thumb is used to grab things, just like this log. Whoa, and all this is the arm and the boom, which then can lift up, swing around, and use the bucket to dig. Yeah, I think I should hop on in and do some digging. Woohoo!
I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. Got a big to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Whoa! Look at how big this hole is that I just dug. Wow, so cool. Hey, and look at this big pile of dirt. Whoa, I love dirt. Yeah, because it's fun to play around in, and it's the perfect home for some plants. Woohoo! Here we go. Here you go, plants. Woohoo! Wow. Excavators are awesome. Yeah! Wasn't that excavator so cool? I love getting to dig things up, and an excavator makes it so easy and fun. Whoa! That sure was fun learning about that excavator today, wasn't it? Yeah! You can dig some massive holes with the excavator, and since it doesn't have wheels and tires, it has tracks. Yeah, you never get stuck. Yeah! Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're at Laugh Out Loud Kids Club in Ontario, California. This is gonna be fun. Come here. Wow. Whoa, look at this place. It's so colorful. Come on.
Welcome to LOL Kids Club.
Whoa, come on. Thank you. Whoa, this is awesome. Wow, it's so colorful. The first thing we have to do, though, is take off our shoes. Okay, here we go. Okay, one shoe. And two shoes. 1, 2. All right, come on. Whoa. Whoa. Whee. Come in. Whoa. Look at all these balls. Whee. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, this ball is the color blue. This ball is the color white. This ball is the color green. This ball is the color orange. And this ball is the color red. And the last color is the color yellow. Whoa! Watch this. I'll make a ball angel. Hey, an animal. Do you know what animal this is? Yeah, it's a dolphin. Another sea creature. This creature is a crab. Woo! Act like you have pictures. Oh, hey! Another creature. This creature goes in the water and on the land. This looks like a crocodile. Whoa. Whoa! All right, I'm gonna ride the crocodile. Boom! Hey! Wow! Look at this! There's more balls! Okay, watch this. Okay, I'm gonna put the balls down here and they're gonna shoot up the top. Ready? 3, 2, 1! I have 3 purple balls. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna shoot them out of this. Okay, watch out. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. I got you! Oh, look up here! Whoa! There's a big carriage full of balls up there. Do you see it? Look! Okay, let's put a few more up there and then pour them out. All right, here we go! Come on! Look at this big slide! Ooh! This slide is the color green, and this over here is the color yellow. Let's find the top, okay? Come on. Whoa, look at all these colors! We have a yellow step, a blue step, a green step, a brown step, and a light blue step. Let's go over here. Oh, we're really high in the sky. Whoa, look through here. Whoa, see, we're on the top. Huh? Hello? We're at the very top. Let's keep going. The slide top must be near. Whoa! Look, we have some shapes right here. We won't go this way though, because I think it's the wrong way. But look, we have a triangle. Huh? We have a circle. We have a square. And we have a pentagon. Whoa! Okay, let's go back here, okay? All right, I think this is the right way. Whoa! Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Okay, we're almost to the top of the slide. It's right over here. Whoa! Here it is. Okay, I'll go down the yellow side, and you go down the green side, okay? Okay. Oh, tight fit. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Whee! Great job! Whoa! Whee! Hey! I'm on a swing! Do you see me swinging? Whoa! 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 Hey! Okay, let's go over here. There's a bunch of 3D shapes over here. Whoa! Oh, whee! Whoa, look at these. Whoa.
Blippi,
Whoa. A triangle.
Put it on here.
Okay, let's put on the triangle right there.
No,
Like
wait,
that?
wait. First that.
Okay.
Then this.
Oh, look at this masterpiece. Whoa, good job. What else can we put on here? Whoa.
This.
Okay, what about this?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
What about this thing?
Whoa.
You're silly.
Yeah, you're silly too.
Now you are.
What about this?
Well,
Whoa! Whoa!
I
I tripped and fell. Okay. Okay, here I go. Bye-bye. Look at this. Okay. Looks like we have 3 cylinders. Okay. Okay. Wait. One is really tall. Yeah, this is tall. This one is medium. And this one is short. Look at that. Whoa, that's so big. You're so strong. You want to set it down somewhere?
What?
Whoa.
That is heavy.
Yeah, watch this.
Look at
Whoa. Whoa.
Blippi. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Good job.
Look at
All right, who wants to kick it over?
Me.
Whoa.
Look at that, Blippi.
Whoa. Whoa.
Look at this.
Look over here. Whoa. Whoa. Whee.
Hey, try to do
So
this,
many
Blippi.
balls.
Look at.
Whoa. Whoa. Whee. Woo. A yellow ball.
Yeah.
Whoa. Woo. A green ball.
I never seen you before.
Whee.
I never seen you before.
Ooh. And a blue ball.
You ball.
Wait a second. What is this?
It's a slide.
What is it?
It's a slide.
Oh, it's a
I
slide.
can't even climb up
Okay, I'll go down the slide.
Wait.
Okay.
Let's go find it.
All right, here I come. Here I come.
1, 2, 3, go.
Look over there. Look at it. It's like a red carpet. It's like I'm a movie star. Oh, you want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out. There's a bunch of flashes. Whoa! This is crazy! This was so much fun at Laugh Out Loud Kids Club in Ontario, California. All right, bye-bye! Woo! Woo! Look at this! This is a fire department helicopter toy. Ooh, and today we're at the Los Angeles City Fire Department Air Operations. And let me tell you, I have a surprise for you. Look at this! Whoa! This is a real fire department helicopter! I am so excited to learn about fire department helicopters today with you! Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, now let's check out the inside of the fire department helicopter. Come on. We have to open up the door. Whoa, do you see in here? This, is the cab of the helicopter. Come in here. Whoa, there's so many cool things in here. First, let me show you the cockpit. Whoa, look up there. There's so many cool instruments, gadgets, radios. Whoa. Okay, for now, I'll show you the cab. Ooh, there's a lot of seats in here. See? I'm gonna go to this one. Whoa, hey, this seat has a seat belt. I'm gonna put it on. All right, buckle up. Ooh, you see? I'm in this seat, and there's another seat, there's another seat. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's actually another seat in the back. Yeah, 5, you're sitting on it. That's funny. Whoa, look at this. Look at this giant backpack. There's a bunch of medical supplies in here. Whoa. This is what they take down to the ground to help people. Whoa, look at this light. Whoa, it's the color blue and it's shining on my face. So these lights are really dim. So then from there you can use your MVGs, your night vision goggles, and see at night so it doesn't blind you. Whoa, whoa. This is a headset. Wow, you put it on your ears. And then has a microphone right here, but I have to plug it in first. Check this out. Get ready, listen. Whoa, can you hear me? I sound funny. I'm talking through the microphone right now. Whoa, flying in a helicopter. Okay, I'll show you more of that later. But for now, look at this. This, whoa, is a med deck. I can pull it out. It's nice and flat. Keeps the spine of the patient nice and flat. Okay, gotta put it back in here. Okay, there we go. Wow, it was so cool seeing the inside of the cab of the helicopter. Whoa, so many cool things. Whoa, what's this?
Blippi, this is our hook for our rescue hoist.
Oh, a hook on the rescue. Wait a second. Who are you?
I'm Pilot Sharif.
What do you do?
Well, today I'm the hoist operator on our air ambulance at the LAFD Air Operations.
Ooh, that's cool. Wait, what's in your hand?
This is called the pendant. It's what controls our hook. You can lower or raise it with this controller here.
Whoa, this is the controller of the hoist. Wow, can you show me all of this stuff in action?
I sure can. Would you like to try our hot seat? This is how we rescue people who really aren't hurt on the ground.
And a hot seat? I wonder what a hot seat is.
Well, our hot seat looks like a jacket. Go ahead and put your helmet on.
Okay.
And you already have safety glasses on, so that works.
Look, I'm wearing a white helmet.
This works just like a jacket. And it's a simple harness that allows us to bring you up into the helicopter safely without falling through.
Okay, so this is a harness that if I'm on the ground, you hoist down, or someone hoists down to come save me, right?
That's right, and they help you put this on just like this.
Okay.
And they'll connect you to the hook once you get down on the ground.
Okay.
We'll lower the hook down to you, and then we'll connect it.
Whoa.
When you're ready, we'll bring you up.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Whoa! Whoa! It's like I'm flying!
We'll bring you all the way up to the helicopter.
Okay.
We'll bring you in, and then Blippi will be safe.
Oh, cool!
Fly away.
Well, thank you so much for showing me this.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right.
It was nice to meet you, Blippi.
Nice to meet you too. Wow, this is so much fun! Hey, wait! Hey, wait a second! Come back! I'm stuck! riding inside the cockpit while the tug tugs the helicopter. Riding the helicopter. Okay, just to let you know, helicopters are at airports, and also airplanes are at airports. And if there's ever a problem at an airport, they have a big truck called a foam truck. Oh hey, look, there's a foam truck right over there. Do you see it? Yeah. Okay, so what foam trucks do are they spray foam and water out the front just in case if there's ever anything at the airport, like a fire. So what we're gonna do is show you it spraying water out of the turret. See? There's the first turret. Whoa! That's so powerful. Are you ready for the second turret? All right, here we go. Whoa! You see that? There's one turret, and there's two turrets. Whoa, look at all the water. So then they can fill up the helicopter with water. Watch! Water that came out of that helicopter!
Ooh, looks like he's ready. Wow, look at how high they are in the air. Ooh, where's he going? Whoa! Look at him dangling from the helicopter. Wow. Hello? Hey! One of them is wearing the color blue, and the other is wearing the color orange. My two favorite colors. Ooh, remember that? That's the hot seat. Okay, here he goes. Whoa! That looks fun! Whoa, hello! Wow, he just got hoisted all the way up into the sky in the helicopter. Wow! Shut the door!
Woo-hoo-hoo! Now it's time to learn the exterior parts of the helicopter. Wow, what a big machine. Oh, hey, up here, this is the cockpit. This is where the pilot and the co-pilot sit. So then they fly the helicopter. Whoa! And back here, this is the cab. Yeah, this is where all the passengers sit. And this helicopter is so big that 14 people can be inside here. 14? That is so many people. Whoa. Oh, look at this. This is a spotlight. Ready? Yeah, also known as the night sun. This is used to shine so then everyone can see everything at night. Whoa, so bright. Ooh, and back here, this is a water tank, and you fill it up right here. Grab the hose. Bring on the water. Then this fills up with water, and then from there you fly over things. And you pour water on things like fires, so then you can save people. Wow, what a cool machine. Let's see what else there is. Come on. Whoa, look down there. Wait a second, what's this doing here? Huh, you know how some helicopters have landing skids? This helicopter has wheels and tires. Wow, that is so interesting. Huh, cool. Ooh. Whoa, wait a second. You've seen this before, right? Yeah, this is a number. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. The number 3. Wow. Oh, let's open this up. Whoa. Check it out. That's a cargo compartment. It's pretty dark in there. Come on. Oh, hey. Los Angeles Fire Department. Oh, they're pretty cool. Whoa. Wow, this is a horizontal stabilizer fin. It keeps the helicopter stable. Whoa, look up there. That's the tail rotor. Whoa. It's so high up there. And this, it looks pretty big, but in reality, that's the smaller rotor. But this one, the main rotor, come here. It is so big. Do you see it up there? Whoa. This main rotor has 5 blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Whoa, it's so high up there. Oh, anyways, I was just trying to touch it. Whoa, look at this! The exhaust! Ooh. All the exhaust from the jet engine gets pushed out of there. Wait a second, I just said jet engine. Yeah, look! Whoa! That's the jet engine. There's 2 of them on this helicopter. One on this side and one on the other. This is where it produces all of its power. And one of the places that it uses its power is the transmission. Whoa, that is so cool looking up there. Oh hey, look at this. You see right here? This is where you refuel the helicopter. We won't mess with that. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Ooh, check out my sweet dance moves. Okay, anyways, look at this. This is the hoist. Whoa, it goes down, yeah, about 300 feet roughly. That is so much. So then it can save people by going. Thanks so much for learning about the exterior parts of the helicopter with me. Now it's time for the Firefighting helicopter song.
It can fight forest fires from the sky. It can stop those flames from getting too high. It can save the trees, save your home. It can even save your life. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Lots of water when it flies. Lakes and rivers are its water supply. It hovers above the burning flames and drops water from the sky. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Transport machine, it's red and white for the firefighting team. Flying day and night. It's a transport machine. It's red and white for the firefighting team. Flying day and night. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. It's a firefighting helicopter. It's a firefighting helicopter. It's a firefighting helicopter.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That was so awesome learning about this fire department helicopter with you. Well, sorry to say, but this is the end of this video. So, I'm sure I'll see you around. Bye-bye! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're at the Pasadena Humane Society to see which animals need a home. I am so excited. Come on! Okay, now we're at the shop where you can buy treats and toys and food and so many things for all the pets here. Okay, what do they have? Ooh, look! Every day is Catter Day. That's funny. This is where the cats eat their food. Oh, look over here. Some toys. Whoa. This is called Lamb Chop. Ooh, and it looks like a little fish. I bet this is for a kitty to play with because kitties love to play with fish. Okay. Ooh. Some crates. Look, if you need to transport your pet from the Humane Society, you will probably take it inside a crate like this. See? So then they're nice and safe when they travel. Ooh. And leashes. Wow. Look at all these colorful leashes. This leash is the color red. Ooh. This leash is the color pink. Ooh. I bet you know this color. I wear this color all the time. Yeah, it's the color blue. Ooh. Come on this side. Wow. Look at this color. Yeah.
It's so bright and vibrant. This color is the color pink. Ooh, yum! Some more treats. Oh, but wait a second. This looks like it's for... I can't open it anymore. Hey, canned food, come here. Ooh, some cat food. Oh, more bowls. These look like dog bowls. Oh, ooh, come over here. If you have a dog, or maybe even a cat, you've probably seen these bags. Yeah, they have a lot of food in them. I think this is for chickens. Or maybe it just has a chicken flavor to it. Ooh, and treats. Yeah, look at this. These are treats, and dogs love these. Maybe we can get these and go feed them to a doggy. Come on. Ooh, do you see this dog? This dog's name is Timmy. Ooh, and do you see right here? He has a bow tie on, just like how I have a bow tie. But my bow tie is the color orange, and Timmy's bow tie, do you see the color? Whoa, hey Timmy. Timmy's bow tie is the color red. Wow, that's a really cool bow tie, Timmy. Hey, remember the treats we got earlier? Yeah, Timmy loves them. Hey, Timmy, look at what I have for you. A treat. Yum. Timmy loves these treats. This is equivalent to like our, a nice tasty salad. Or even maybe like a piece of pizza. Yum. Good boy, Timmy. Okay, last one. Here you go. Okay, now let's play with Pierre and Panther. There they are. See, this right here is Panther. Hello, Panther. So cute and so soft. Hello. See? Oh, so cute. Okay, you wanna go say hello to Pierre? Hey! Oh, oh hey! Oh, hi! Oh, I wonder if they're siblings. I don't know. But they look so similar. Hey! Oh, there's some toys over here. Let's go get some. Oh, let's see if they like these. Hey. Okay, you want a toy? Oh, I guess not. Hey, you want a toy? You want a tennis ball? Ready? Okay, here we go. Oh, you want this toy? What about this toy? They are so cute. Look at what it is. It's a kitty cat. This kitty's nice and tired. I think it just took a nap. You know, in the middle of the day, when sometimes you take a nap.
This kitty just took one of those. I wonder if the kitty had a dream. Yeah, and look at this. Whoa, this is a cat toy. Hey kitty, hey kitty. I don't think it wants to play right now, but cats love to play. And it's really important to play with your pets. Like this. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. That's funny. Oh! See, there's more cats in here. Look at this one. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Oh, there's more over here. Oh, wow. A lot of them are sleeping. Oh, hey, look. Hey.
Hi!
Ooh, what do you have here?
I have Pumpkin. Pumpkin is one of the cats that we have available to find a new home today.
Ooh.
Yeah, she came to us with nobody to care for her. We're hoping somebody comes and takes her home and makes them hers.
Oh, wow. Can I pet Pumpkin?
Sure can.
Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, Pumpkin. Ooh, Pumpkin is really nice and really sweet. Hey.
Isn't she pretty?
Yeah, she is.
The green eyes.
Oh, so pretty. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Huh, the critter house. I wonder what kind of critters are in here. Come on. Wow, this room is great. Ooh, look. Hello. It's sleeping, but there's a guinea pig right here. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Oh, what's over here? Oh, hey, birdie. Oh, it's a bird. Look. Coo, cute little bird. Oh, look. That bird was white. And look, there's a white rabbit. Wow. You see that rabbit? Hey, I have a treat for you. Come look over here. Wow. I have a rabbit friend right down here. Huh? Okay. Oh, where are you going? Oh, look. Hey, rabbit. Oh, there it is. Hey. It's running around. Hey. Oh. Hello. Rabbits have really big ears. Okay. Rabbit, hey, how are you? Oh, it's really soft. And their ears are big. Okay, bye-bye. Yahoo! That was awesome! Yeah! So many cute animals! Well, see you later. Bye-bye!
A pet keeps you company. It will be there whenever you're in need. It cheers you up when you've had a bad day. A pet can be your best playmate. Dogs and very best friend. You've gotta take care of your pets. My pet is my very best friend. You've got to feed 'em and clean 'em. Sometimes you've gotta teach 'em how to behave.
Sit, Fido, sit. Some pets you have to walk with them. Others you can talk to them. And some you have to clean out the cage.
Spiders and birds and ants and worms, these are the pets. Ponies and frogs, hamsters and hogs, these are the pets. My pet is my very best friend. You've gotta take care of your pets. My pet is my very best friend.
Come on, everybody, sing along.
My pet is my very best friend. You've gotta take care of your pets. My pet is my very best friend. You've gotta take care of your pets.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!